Good morning, students. Today we will see the new method of preparation of alkyl halides. So that is the Huns-Dicker reaction, or sometimes it is called Borodine-Huns-Dicker reaction. So what is the reaction? Huns-Dicker reaction. So in the Huns-Dicker reaction, what are the silver salt of fatty acid is reacts with halogen. So that is the chlorine, bromine, like that. In the presence of carbon tetrachloride as a solvent, so you will get the alkyl halides as a product. तुम्हाला काय मिळणार इकडं alkyl halide as a product, and here silver halide as a byproduct, but in the form of precipitate. So that's why there is a downward arrow and there is the elimination of carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so what is the reaction? Silver salt. So this is called silver salt of carboxylic acid. Sometimes it is called fatty acids. So silver salt of carboxylic acid, or you can say the fatty acids, is reacts with chlorine, bromine, like that. That is the halogen in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. So you will get the alkyl halide as a product, and silver salt, or you can get the silver halides as a precipitate, and carbon dioxide gas is eliminated. So what is the speciality of this reaction? So this reaction is nothing but the step down reaction. Means in the substrate side, suppose there are the two carbon, but in the product side you will get the only one carbon. The one carbon is eliminated in the form of carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so such type of reaction are called step down reaction. Okay, so for example, I take here, and in this method only chlorine and bromine is reacts with the silver salt of carboxylic acid. ठीक आहे, फक्त क्लोरीन आणि ब्रोमीन ची रिएक्शन यामध्ये होते. बघा आपण एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊ, CH3COOAG. So this is a silver salt of acetic acid. आता याला silver salt of acetic acid का म्हणायचं? So this is acetic acid, आणि याची रिएक्शन जर आपण AgOH सोबत केली तर तुम्हाला काय मिळतं? सिल्वर सॉल्ट ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड किंवा AgCl वगैरे केली तर. ठीक आहे, तर बघा, दिस इज अ सिल्वर सॉल्ट ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड. इट इज रिएक्ट्स विथ क्लोरीन in the presence of CCl4. So you will get the product here CH3Cl, byproduct AgCl, and again there is a carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so what happened in this case? There is a preparation of methyl chloride, but in the starting there are the two carbon, but in the product side you will get the only one carbon in the alkyl halide. So you will get the methyl chloride as a product. So similarly you can prepare methyl bromide. Just replace Cl2 by the Br2. Okay. So such type of reaction is called the step down reaction. So this is the one of the method of preparation of alkyl halides, or even the preparation of alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromide by Huns-Dicker method. Sometimes it is called the Borodine-Huns-Dicker reaction. ही रिएक्शन तुम्हाला बोर्डच्या सिलेबसला नाहीये, पण देईल नीटला या रिएक्शनवर तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन येऊ शकतो, म्हणून आपण ती इथं मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ alkyl halides मध्ये घेतली. ओके, नेक्स्ट मेथड बघा, दॅट इज द थर्ड मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ alkyl halide बाय हॅलोजन एक्सचेंज रिएक्शन. Sometimes it is called halide exchange reaction. Okay, sometimes it is called the halide exchange, halogen exchange. So in the halogen exchange, one halogen is replaced by another halogen atom. So that's why there is need to do some reaction. So there are the two type of reaction. In that reaction there is exchange of halogen atom by the another halogen atom. So first one, Finkelstein reaction. So in the Finkelstein reaction you will get only alkyl iodide. So that's why Finkelstein reaction, it is useful to prepare only alkyl iodide, not other alkyl bromide or alkyl chloride, like that. Okay, so it is only useful to prepare the alkyl iodide only. Okay, so that's why I write here preparation of only alkyl iodide. So what is the reaction? So alkyl halides, or you can say the alkyl bromide or alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is reacts with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone as a solve one. So you will get the alkyl iodide as a product. And what is the byproduct? It's sometimes alkyl chloride or sometimes alkyl bromide. So that's why I write here NaX. लक्षात घ्या, when alkyl halide or you can say the alkyl chloride or bromide reacts with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, you will get alkyl iodide and NaX as a byproduct. So X here, Cl, then byproduct here NaCl. If the X here Br, then byproduct is NaBr. So that is nothing but the Finkelstein reaction. It is useful for only preparation of alkyl iodide. That thing is, remember, it is only useful to preparation of alkyl iodide. We will take some example here. So let us see. CH3 CH2 Br, this is called ethyl bromide, is reacts with NaI, that is the sodium iodide. So here on the arrow dry acetone means this is the halogen exchange reaction, but it is the type of the Finkelstein reaction. So you will get here ethyl iodide and NaBr as a byproduct. So next example, isopropyl chloride is reacts with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. You will get the isopropyl iodide and NaCl as a byproduct. Okay, so these are the some reaction which is based on Finkelstein reaction, or you can say the Finkelstein reaction. Next one, that is the Schwarz reaction. So this is one of the method of preparation of only alkyl chloride. बघा, Schwarz reaction ने फक्त alkyl chloride तयार होत आहे. बाकीचे alkyl chloride असेल, alkyl bromide असेल किंवा alkyl iodide असेल, या मेथडने तयार होत नाही. आतापर्यंत आपण अल्काइल क्लोराइड, अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड आणि अल्काइल आयोडाइड तयार केले. आता आपण असे एक फर्स्ट मेथड बघतोय की ज्या मेथडने फक्त आपण काय करणार आहे, अल्काइल क्लोराइड्स तयार करणार आहे. लक्षात ठेवा, अल्काइल क्लोराइड्स आर प्रिपेअर्ड बाय व्हिच मेथड, that method or that reaction is called Schwarz reaction. Okay, so what is the Schwarz reaction? So alkyl chloride or bromide again. So that's why I take here Rx is reacts with silver salt of fluorides, or you can say the metals for chlorides. So which are the metal chloride used here? So sometimes you can use here AgF, sometimes use here Ag2F2, sometimes you can use here AsF3, arsenic trichloride. So these are the metal chloride. बघा, AgF घेऊ शकता, AsF3 घेऊ शकता, SbF3 घेऊ शकता. So these are the metal chloride. Sometimes you can use here Ag2F2, so mercurous chloride. So these are nothing but the these are nothing but the metal chlorides. मग काय करायचं, Rx is reacts with metal chlorides, or you can say the alkyl halides reacts with metal chlorides. So you will get the alkyl chloride, and what are the byproduct? Metal chlorides. So for example, I take the general reaction. So Rx, so X may be Cl or Br. It is a reaction with silver chloride. So you will get the product here alkyl chloride, and what is the byproduct here? Silver chloride. Silver, what is the byproduct? AgX. Sorry. So here byproduct here AgX. म्हणजे बघा, जर तुम्ही अल्काइल हलाइडची रिएक्शन सिल्वर क्लोराइड बरोबर केली तर तुम्हाला अल्काइल क्लोराइड मिळणार आहे, पण बाय प्रोडक्ट काय मिळणार आहे? सिल्वर हलाइड्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट बघा, जर आपण मर्क्युरस क्लोराइड यूज केलं तर काय होतं बघा. सो देयर इज अ नीड टू बॅलन्स द रिएक्शन. So 2 times of Rx plus Ag2F2, so you will get the 2 times of Rm, again same product here, but what is the byproduct here? Ag2X2. ठीक है, so these are the method to prepare only alkyl chlorides. Okay, next we will let us see some example. So ethyl chloride, again one thing remember here, Schwarz reaction. So in the Schwarz reaction only alkyl chlorides or bromides reacts with metal chlorides. Okay, so next one, that is a example, CH3 CH2 Cl is reacts with AgF, that is the silver chloride. So you will get the ethyl chloride as a product. काय मिळणार आहे? ethyl chloride as a product, and Ag chloride, that is a silver chloride as a byproduct. Next one, so this is the isopropyl bromide is reacts with silver chloride. So you will get the isopropyl AgBr as a बाय प्रॉडक्ट. ओके, आता बघा इथे मी सिल्वर फ्लोराईड आहे, याच्या ठिकाणी आता मर्क्युरस फ्लोराईड घेतलं तर तिथे तुम्हाला रिएक्शन बॅलन्स करणं गरजेचं आहे. बघा आता मर्क्युरस फ्लोराईड घेतलं तर सो व्हाट इज द प्रॉडक्ट हियर? प्रॉडक्ट इज सेम बट बाय प्रॉडक्ट इज different here, so you will get the byproduct Hg2Br2. okay, so for that you will require to balance the reaction. तुम्हाला काय करावं लागेल? there is a balance the reaction. बघा या पद्धतीने तुम्ही अल्काइल क्लोराइड्स प्रिपेअर करू शकता. अल्काइल क्लोराइड्स ओनली प्रिपेअर्ड बाय श्वार्ट्ज रिएक्शन. ओके, प्रत्येक रिएक्शनची स्पेशलिटी लक्षात ठेवा. Finkelstein reaction only prepare the alkyl iodide. Schwartz reaction only prepare the alkyl chloride. Okay, so these are the method of preparation of alkyl halides. Next and last method of preparation of alkyl halide, that is the alkyl halides are prepared from hydrocarbon, or you can say the alkane. So there is a drawback of that reaction. When alkane undergoes the halogenation reaction, so you will get the mixture of products. So that is the monohalides, dihalides, trihalides and tetrahalides. So that's why if you want to prepare required product, so that required product is not prepared by halogenation of alkane. So the halogenation of alkanes is not it is not special, it is not particular reaction to prepare the alkyl halides, or you can say there is a drawback of the halogenation of alkane. So halogenation of alkanes, it is not used to prepare required alkyl halides by the halogenation of alkane. लक्षात ठेवा, हॅलोजिनेशन ने आपण रिक्वायर्ड प्रॉडक्ट तयार करू शकत नाही, म्हणून हॅलोजिनेशन ऑफ अल्केन ही रिएक्शन तुम्हाला सिलेबस मध्ये दिलेली नाही. ओके.